Whenever you're ready, Nietzsche. This is Dancing in the Dark by Bruce Springsteen. I get up in the evening and I ain't got nothing to say. I come home in the morning, I go to bed feeling the same way. I ain't nothing but tired. Man, I'm just tired and bored with myself. Hey baby, I could use just a little help. You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. Message keeps getting clearer. Radio's on and I'm moving around the place. I check my look in the mirror. I wanna change my clothes, my hair, my face. Man, I ain't getting nowhere. Just living in a dump like this. There's something happening somewhere. Baby, I just know there is. You can't start a fire. Can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. Sitting around getting older. There's a joke here somewhere and it's on me. I'll shake the world off my shoulders. Come on baby, the laugh's on me. You hang out late in this town and they'll be carving you up all night. You say you gotta stay hungry. Hey baby, I'm just about starving tonight. I ain't looking for action. I'm just trying to write this book. I need a love reaction. Come on, give me just one look. You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. You can't start a fire, worrying about your little world falling apart. This gun's for hire, even if we're just dancing in the dark. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons.
Yay!
And of course, over here, the lovely and the beautiful and the talented Natasha. Miigwech. Thank you for listening. And I will see you again. GOFUNDME. Minawa. Hawa.
Hawa. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the link in the description if you want to support the show. No. All right.